YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, man. And I have something today for y'all that I am really excited to have my hands on and finally add to the collection. But if you guys are new here, man, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, join the channel, join the family. The goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I think we're right around 512 by the time of me recording this, and I'm thinking about maybe doing a giveaway when we hit 750. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button to join the channel. Also, smash that like button, helps with the algorithms, helps these videos get out to you guys. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and follow my Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. The link's down below in the description. If you guys go ahead and follow my Instagram, you get a lot of information first, particularly the sneaker that I'm talking about today. So like I said, if you guys follow my Instagram, you already know what sneaker I'm talking about today, and that is these right here, man. The Sacai blazer and the Sacai dunk blazer, man. Really excited to have them in hand, give you a look at both of them. So yes, I am not doing an official unboxing here. And why am I not doing an unboxing here? Because I got them without the box. So really quick shout out to the guys over at Hype Room CT. Congratulations, man. They just hit their 1-year anniversary of opening the store, and coming up soon it'll be the 1-year anniversary of me going in there and filming with them. So hopefully sometime soon, when things get back to normal, or at least as close to normal as they can be, I could get in the store and do a video with them to see how far that they have come. But man, let's just take a look at these Sacai blazers right here, y'all. And it's crazy because about a little more than a week ago, I'd say a week and a half ago, I was going through my want list on Godap, and I had these on here, and I did put in a bid for them of $250 bid. So after it was almost $270 after tax and shipping and all that everything. You know, you guys know how Godap works. So my bid was for $250, and it hasn't gotten accepted yet. I actually went and canceled it as soon as I got these, man. I'm looking through my Instagram, and the guys over at Hype Room put these up, saying, man, we got the Sacai blazers, $250. Are they pre-owned? Yes. But I went in, took a look at them, man. Now, they were in really good shape. There were a couple spots, like the midsole was a little dirty. I kind of wish I did it before and after, but I went through and cleaned the shoe, cleaned the midsole. Outsole actually looked really good. Both outsoles looked really good, but went through once again, cleaned the shoe. There was a scuff on the right shoe, right here on the toe box. There was a little scuff, but as you can't even tell anymore. It's annoying with white shoes sometimes, but as you can see, you can barely tell that there was a scuff there, and I was able to put like one of those one of the decrease things, the crease shields in there, so it really pushed out the shoe, got the scuff out of there. I was able to cover the scuff with the polish that I use and my cleaning methods. Maybe I'll do a video on that later, man. But let's just get into a full-on review of this sneaker, guys. I'm so excited to have it in hand. This is one of the best sneaker releases of 2019. So obviously we're in 2020, and this shoe, spoiler alert, is going to make my top 10 sneaker pickups of 2020. It has to. Just look at it, man. There's a lot going on here. So let's start with just the concept of the shoe. So Sacai, obviously everyone knows Sacai now with the waffle LDV that they do, in the combination of two different sneakers there. But on this sneaker, so this sneaker officially got named the Blazer. And it was officially given a blazer silhouette. But as you can see, so you have your white swoosh from the blazer going around here. And you also have your blazer Nike tab up top, but it does say Nike Sacai. Now, this sneaker combines the blazer with the Nike dunk, a high dunk. So as you can see, this is not a regular blazer lace pattern. You know what I mean? You could kind of see it under there. You can see it better on the yellow and red pair because it's white, but you could kind of see the regular blazer lace pattern going underneath, and then it cuts through there and right here, but it has the dunk lace pattern laid over it. The blue swoosh is the dunk swoosh, as well as the pull tab that you would have on a pair of dunk highs. Speaking of dunk highs, one of my bids on Godap actually did get accepted, and one of my favorite sneakers of all time I was actually to get my hands on for a really good price, and it'll be here at the end of this coming week. Hopefully, you never know with the virus, but it is what it is. So can't wait to get those in hand. Really excited about that. But let's get back into these. So these is the Sacai's go. Once again, with it being a combination of two different shoes, it does come with two different shoelaces, which is the first time we've ever seen anything like that on a factory released pair of shoes anyway. So it came with two different shoelaces. I went through and relaced because the white laces that I had in there were a little dingy already, and I did have some brand new white laces, so I relaced the whole thing with my white laces. And this look honestly inspired me to do this lace swap with my Jordan 1 Maison Chateaus. and do the brown and white lacing right there. And this sneaker right here is really where I got the inspiration to do this right here on the Amazing Chateaus. Really add some pop to the sneaker, man. But I'm really, really excited to have in my hand. As you can see, everything on this sneaker is double, and when you look at the heel tab, one of the most defining elements of the shoe is just, I would say, double, triple, tinned, whatever. As you can see, they just have layers upon layers upon layers of that rubber on the heel counter right there, wrapping all the way up to your mid ankle, which is a really, really cool touch. You can also see it on the midsole here. You have the regular midsole with another layer here. Then on the toe, it comes off, the rubber comes up to the toe box. Really cool shoe. I do like the unfinished look, as far as, I don't know how well you guys can see the glue stains that are on there. Now, this is not for me. The sneaker is supposed to have glue stains on it, which is really cool. And one of the cool things about having glue stains on it, so what shoe was it? This is the right one. Let me see. Was it this one? Yeah, it was this shoe right here. So this shoe right here, there was a little on the inside of the shoe, a little separation when I bought these from the leather and the midsole, and I was able to go in there and glue them together with a industrial strength glue, and I let it show a little bit. As you can see, I don't know how well you can see it, but I did let the glue show a little bit over the top. Like I wiped some of it down, but then I tried to let it show a little bit to keep consistent with the glue patterns that you have, or the exposed glue that you can see on the rest of the shoe, man. I really, really love the deconstructed look of it. And then the defining, like, biggest point of the shoe, other than the swoosh, really, the defining element of the shoe other than the double swoosh, to me, has to be the tongue. So as you guys can see right there, when I was relacing, it actually surprised me that the tongue is actually two tongues all the way through the bottom of the shoe. Just in pictures, I thought maybe it would be one tongue and they double layered it at the top, but they actually do have two full tongues put into the sneaker. And on the first tongue, you could just see the Nike with the regular Nike swoosh like you would get on the Blazer. And on the back of it, let me pull that back, you do get your Nike Sacai right there, which is really neat. And then on the top of the tongue right here, on the second tongue, you do get the Nike swoosh with the Sacai under it. Then on the back of it, you get the Nike Sacai just like you do on the heel of the shoe. The insole, nothing special. You just got a black insole, Nike Sacai on it. These are a size 12.5. I know I'm a size 12, but for the deal that I got for $200, once again, they came without the box, so that's huge. These are going for $350+ brand new, especially in this size. So to be able to get them size 12.5, I don't care about the box. You don't wear the box, and I do have more containers from the Container Store on the way. I actually ordered them Memorial Day weekend, and they're still not here, but they're super backed up right now. I actually just got off the phone with them, and they basically said, look, it's going to get here when it gets here. We can't do nothing about it now. You just got to wait till it gets there. So that is what it is. I got to wait until I got a place to put these. Might put them in there right now and take something out with a box and put it in the box. But once again, man, super, super excited to just have these in hand, y'all. I got a couple ideas for how I'm going to rock these. Definitely going to be one of my most worn shoes of the summer. And because of the height of it, you could definitely get away with wearing it in the fall and in the spring as well. Definitely going to be a sneaker that I wear a lot. And speaking of wearing a lot, man, I'm going to throw an offer on y'all right now. So as y'all saw on the offer, man, I went with the double sock look, kind of trying to match up with the laces, the white and black laces. I went with the white and black socks. Obviously, everything on this sneaker is double swoosh, double eyelids, double midsole, quintuple million heel counter, you know what I'm saying, double tongue. So why not double socket? And that's what I did. I really like how that looks. Also, me being an ex-college football player, that was part of the swag. A lot of people went with the double socks and rocked our mid-calf socks kind of like that. So it's really cool to be able to rock that in the real world and have it make sense with the sneaker that you got on, being this sneaker, man. Really, really excited to have these in hand, y'all. One last time, big shout out to the guys over at Hype Room for letting your boy pick these up for a steal price of $200, man. Make sure y'all go check them out. Check out their Instagram. I'll put their Instagram down below in the description. Check out their website. Hit them up. Tell them I sent you, man. I don't have a promo code or anything, but just tell them I sent you. You know what I mean? Really, really, really happy to have these in hand. And one more time, just shout out to the guys over at Hype Room. Congratulations on one successful year of owning a sneaker store, owning a sneaker consignment shop. I have picked up I think this is my third pickup from them, and I did sell a sneaker with them. I might be missing something. I got these. I got the Legend Blue 11s. I got the Black Cement 3s. I think that's it. And I sold a pair of 12s there. Great doing business with them. Great guys over there. Make sure you check them out, guys. That is it for this video, man. If you are new here, man, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. We're doing really well, so make sure you join the family with that. Smash that like button. Helps with the algorithms. Helps the video get shown. Just helps the channel in general. Would really appreciate it if you guys could just smash that like button. You're already here. You might as well do it. Last but not least, man, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information there first. Once again, I did post about these on there already. I actually put them on my story last night. I did pick these up yesterday, but make sure you follow that Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead, because you do get a lot of information there first, man. And that is it for this video. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. And as always, it's all about the sneakers.